Hello guys. In this video, I will tell you how to change the language in Grok. So, let's start the video. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google. From there, search for the official Grok website. Click on it to navigate to Grok's main page. Once you're on the home page, go to your profile. You can usually find this in the bottom left corner of the interface. Look for a small gear icon. It's subtle but important. Click on it to open the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a section dedicated to language options. It's usually labeled language or something similar, depending on your current language. Next to it, you'll find a change option. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, showing a list of all the languages that Grok supports. Take a moment to scroll through the list and choose your preferred language. For example, if you want to switch to Spanish, simply click on Español. As soon as you select a language, the interface will refresh, and voila, Grok will now be displayed in your chosen language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.